Today on JiK Labs, we're going to do some pasting. More specifically, we're going to look at the paste special features in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Now that you have Excel open and ready to go, you're going to see we have some data up on our screen. And if you noticed from last week's video, this is our item cost and sell priced little sample. So what today we want to look at is pasting. More specifically, the special paste features that are available in Microsoft Excel. As I'm sure you know by now, you can easily copy by right-clicking or Control-C or Control-X to cut data, but when you paste it, you can hit right-click and paste, or you can hit Control-V, which will paste it. And that's just a straight copy and paste of your data. But as you'll notice that if we right-click and we have paste options, we can go just to standard paste, just the values, formulas, transpose, which we looked at last week, the formatting, we can paste the links, and we can go more options by clicking paste special here at the bottom. And the shortcut for that is Control Alt and V. So if you hit Control Alt and V, it brings up a new window called paste special, and it gives you some options. Of course, when you right click and go to paste special, you can see some of these options, but here it gives you some check boxes. Like say we just want to paste the formulas or just the values. What does that mean? If we check formulas, it's going to bring over the formulas when we copy and paste them. Values means if there are any functions calculating data, when you paste, it will only report the value that is showing right now. Formats is going to copy the formatting, comments and notes, validation. It's going to copy all of those settings that you may have set up. Also, you can use all sources, themes with everything except the borders, the column widths, formulas, formatting, so on and so forth. You can also check this box down here to skip any blank cells and transpose as well. If you click on all, paste link, but if you go on values, the paste link grays out. If you do transpose, the paste link grays out. So what is exactly the paste link? So let's go paste link and we hit OK. So now we don't have any of our formatting, but we can see if we click on E1, it's referencing A1. Likely so, E2 is referencing A2. So let's back that out. We still have everything copied. And of course, I failed to mention, when you're pasting anything, you want to click where you want your data to begin. Since we're copied from A1 to C6, we were going to copy over in E1 and it should go to G6. So again, Control-Alt-V. It brings up the paste special window. And now we want to look at what we're going to do. So let's just do values. If we hit values and hit OK, and now we can see that here in C1, we've taken cost times 2. But if we come over to sell price, it is just 50. There's no equation. Likely so, if we were to change anything over here, these values don't update. They would only update if we pasted links. We're going to copy. Again, we're going to right click. In other paste options, we can get the formatting, which is just going to show us the formatting that we set up, but no cell values. The links, which is no formatting, but is E1 equals A1 and so on and so forth. We can paste it as a picture, or we can link it as a picture. So we're going to link it as a picture. And what does that mean? Well, it is a photo that we can move around that Excel has made, but it is still linked. If we change any of our data, it still updates. Now, if we were to come back and do the same exact thing, but with just as paste special a photo, we change these numbers, it will not update. It is a snapshot of your data that you cannot edit. With paste special, there are many options to use. Some cases may not be the best for all of them. Our suggestion is make yourself some data, play around with it, and see what paste special feature works best for you. Now keep in mind, for this example, we have been using Microsoft 365 and it is 2022. So some features on older Excels may or may not be available. And if you're on a new future version of Microsoft Excel, we may not have that feature that you have now. So greetings from the past. Hopefully you enjoyed this very quick video of some of the paste special features that are available in Microsoft Excel. Join us next week when we do some more Excelling. Thanks for watching. But it is not editable.